Melissa,
Yeah, what is it?
will you put some moisturizer on your lips because they're so dry?
It's not that funny. Why are you still laughing? Oh my god, she's crying. Why are you still laughing?
It was just a joke. You don't need to cry.
I'm breaking up with you and I'm secretly always a man. She broke up with you? Stop laughing, you're ruining everything for me. Should I do it? Okay, great, he's killing himself and I can't feel sad because you guys are laughing all the time.
I have nothing more to live for. Just so you know, I kind of stole your blanket.
Just go away, it's hard enough for me watching this show, you don't have to ruin it more.
Okay.
What, those are real prison words? Why are you still laughing? How are you still laughing after I paused it? Oh, it was my neighbors all the time. Oh.